Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen. Today, we're making a delicious creamy and keto-friendly carrot soup that's both comforting and low-carb. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 1 liter of vegetable broth, 4 tablespoons of heavy cooking cream, 2 large carrots, cut into small pieces, 1 diced large onion, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Let's start by heating 3 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Once it's warm, add the diced onions, chopped carrots, and black pepper. Give it a quick stir and sauté for about 2 minutes, just until the onions turn soft and fragrant. Now, we'll pour in 1 liter of vegetable broth. Give it a good stir, and once it starts to boil, lower the heat to medium-low. Let it simmer for about 20 minutes, or until the carrots become tender. Now comes the fun part. Using a hand blender, carefully blend everything until it turns into a smooth, creamy consistency. Finally, we'll add 4 tablespoons of heavy cooking cream to enhance the richness. Stir well, and just like that, our keto-friendly carrot soup is ready to serve. Look at this creamy, comforting goodness. Perfect for a cozy meal while staying on track with your keto lifestyle. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more delicious low-carb recipes. See you next time in Heaven's Kitchen.